Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows with veg gelatin. Begin by heating sugar, water, and corn syrup to dissolve crystals while blooming the veg gelatin separately. Whip the hot syrup into the bloomed gelatin until glossy peaks form, then pour into a prepared pan to set. Dust cut marshmallows with a starch sugar mix to prevent sticking and enjoy the light, pillowy texture. In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows with veg gelatin. Bloom the veg gelatin in cool water until fully hydrated, then heat the sugar mixture to the correct temperature while monitoring with a candy thermometer. Combine the hot syrup with the bloomed gelatin and whip at high speed until light, white, and glossy peaks appear. Pour into the pan and allow to set before cutting into squares or shapes. In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows with veg gelatin. Add extracts or natural colorants once the marshmallow mass reaches soft peak to avoid deflating it. Fold flavors and any inclusions gently with a spatula to maintain air and loft. For consistent color, reduce liquid additions and prefer concentrated natural purees or powders so the marshmallows remain stable and pillowy after setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.